Hey, it's me, Drunk at Disney, looking for sexy beasts at the water park pool bar. I'm looking for sexy beasts at the water park pool bar. Any sexy beasts at the water park pool bar? Oh, we found one! All right. What's up, brother? Cheers.
Yeah.
Jason Shuck in the house. Poor judgment. Woo! Who knew I would have found some sexy beasts at the pool, at the Polar Pub, baby, right? What do you think about this guy?
I think he's awesome. Tremendous. He's been sitting here just bothering everybody.
Oh, I bet. He knows no other way.
Way I am.